according to reports from news agencies in China. A mysterious object that was discovered in 2002 could be the ultimate test of prehistoric civilizations on Earth. Thousands, but hundreds of millions of years. Screw Lanzhou is supposed to be similar to that of Russia in the 90s, according Lanzhou Morning News. After a scientific argument in stone marked unanimously as one of the most valuable in China, and in the world of collecting, research and archaeological studies. While most researchers strongly believe that this device corresponds to the remains of a prehistoric civilization, another researcher suggests that, given the composition of some mysterious rock elements, there is the possibility that the two rocks and mysterious metal screws could come from another planet.